Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to get activation code on Lloyds Bank. So as you can see, I'm on the website of Lloyds. So to get your code, just open the app of this bank, and if you have an account, just sign in, and if you don't have an account, just click on register. So once you click on register in your phone in mobile, or you can also try this in your laptop. So fill out all the informations, and once you enter your email, let's say I have this email address, confirm email, and do you live in UK, so enter all the informations and just click on continue. So once you click on continue in your mobile app, while signing in or while signing up, so they will ask to verify your email and send the code to your email address. So once they send the code to your email address, simply just copy that code and confirm the code here on their official website, or you can also try this on their phone, which is available in different Android and iPhones. So make sure to follow the simple process, and there is no trick that you won't get a code. Just enter your right email address, and once you enter your right email, they will send the activation code to your email address. So simply copy it and paste it, and your account will be activated within few minutes. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can get activation code of Lloyds Bank.